Hi, everybody.
Hey.
We are back, Shades of Gray, and we are here with EarFleek. That is the latest subscription we're going to check out. Just to let you guys know, of course, you know I'm reading. EarFleek is a monthly subscription that sends you allergy-free earrings, so that usually means it has no nickel in it, because a lot of people are actually allergic to nickel. Um, and the shipping is free. First, you pick your tier. There are two tiers. There is the regular tier and the premium tier. And that determines the base cost for your earrings. Next, you pick your style. The styles are silly and fun, minimalist and groovy, boho babe, and I don't give a hoot, which means they'll send you anything. And that's what we chose. We chose I don't give a hoot. Oh, and we also chose the regular tier. Because, I mean, come on, we're doing this for YouTube.
True.
Then you pick your terms. Your terms are month to month, 6 months, or 12 months. Now, if you, so I'll give you the charges for that. For regular month to month, that is $349 a month. For regular 6 months, you'll be charged $333 a month. So in total, your card will be charged $20. For 12 months, it's $317 a month, and the total charge on your card will be, I'm sorry, for 12 months, it'll be $38. So that's the regular tier. From premium tier, if you want to go from month to month, that's $9.93 a month. For 6 months, you'll pay $9.46 a month, which comes up to $57. And for 12 months, you pay $8.54 a month, which totals to $103. So depending on the tier and your terms, you can pay $349 a month, or you can pay $103 for an entire premium year. So it's sort of up to you how you want it to go, how often you want to pay, and the tier you want. So we end up getting 3 months, and for the regular tier, and we actually found it on Groupon, thanks to my bestie Lindsay. So
Thanks, Lindsay.
thank you, Lindsay. So once you subscribe, they will send you a link. It's kind of like a Tinder for earrings. They'll show you earring. You swipe left, you swipe right, or should I go left, right?
Yeah.
My bad. I'll get it right. And you then they'll pick the earrings based on what you swiped. So here's our earrings.
All right. So we got a package from January, March, and May.
Yeah.
So we'll open up January.
Pretty packaging.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm type to reuse packaging if they're nice. So if somebody gets something in the mail from me and it says EarFleek on it, just know I reuse this.
Ain't nothing wrong with regifting.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Those are cute.
These are cute, and they actually have the sticker for the actual price on it. This market value would have been $15.99 for these earrings, and so you would have got them for $349. And so if you see here, they are little rainbows.
And clouds.
Yes, with a nice little hook. So I think those are pretty. Now, would I pay $15.99 for these? No. But they are very pretty, and they have black backings. There's no stopper on here, so I think you might have to cut this in half to have the stopper, so it won't slide out your earrings. Or if you have any extras, then you can use your extra.
Okay.
So, ready to look at the next month?
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. That is very pretty.
But I mean, yeah,
$15 for earrings like that. If you go to Charm and Charlie's, you can get a pack of like 15 earrings for $10.
So yeah, they play.
Yeah. Okay, so this one's marked at $15.99 as well. That's very pretty. So,
I'm trying to.
Those are earrings. So it looks like Saturn almost.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I love. See, y'all know me. Y'all know I'm into astronomy and astrology. So those are cool.
And these do have backs on them because they're much smaller. They're a little bent though. Maybe they're meant to be bent.
I'm confused. What's this little? Is that just to hold them together?
Yeah,
Oh,
so they don't float around and free and break off.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
a lot of companies do that with earrings when they ship them.
Oh,
They'll stick them together. And so so like I said before, if you need a stopper, you cut the little rubber piece in half and use it as a stopper. But this one actually has a stopper on it. But it's really concerning how bent that is. Maybe it's made bent. I know some earrings are made bent, so they hang a certain way.
EarFleek, you say?
Yes. It'd be fun, they say. You should try it, they say.
Okay. EarFleek.
All right, so our next month.
So that is this month, May.
Yes. And this one, once again, is market value $15.99. And this one's actually cute, too. So it's like stormy clouds.
Mm-hmm.
And once again, held in the middle. It has a stopper.
Okay, EarFleek.
So these are our 3 pairs of earrings. You have the rainbows, Saturn, and the storm clouds. Now, it was market value $15.99, so $16. Would I pay $16 for these earrings, as cute as they are? No.
Yeah.
There's so many companies out here that can give you earrings at a very cheap cost. And even though, yes, so very cute earrings, would you say it's worth the subscription cost?
Not at all. I mean, even at the 3, what was it?
The lowest price you would pay for a monthly subscription for regular tier is $349 a month.
I mean, even at $350, like I feel like I could have went to Claire's and got the same thing for like, if $2, $3.
Yeah, because like I said,
when I was 21.
When I go to get earrings, I usually get like a pack of, like the little studs like these, I'll usually get like a pack of 15 at a time.
Yeah.
And you can get them all different when you go to Claire's or Forever 21 or Charm and Charlie's. And it's just like a pack this big, nothing but studs on it. Sometimes it's different sizes of the same thing. Sometimes it's all different type of things. Sometimes I've got one that was all mismatch. One was like a bow, the other one was an arrow. One was a foot, the other one was a hand. So in a way they went together, but none of them were the same. So there's so many places you can get earrings that look like this. And you can end up paying a lot cheaper if you just buy them in a group.
Okay.
So for me,
I'm good. EarFleek. I'm good, love. Enjoy. No, I'm kidding. No, it's just not for me.
I mean, if you want to get your toe wet in subscription boxes and you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just kind of want to see what subscription's about, I would say try it.
But you have to also like quirky little thing. Well, they had different, because we kind of went with whatever. So if we had a more, I don't know,
maybe the premium would have been different.
Yeah, I just feel like you can go to, like I said, to Claire's
and they got quirky earrings too.
Yeah, and then you could pick exactly what you want out of however many choices, and it'd be the same price rather than choosing between what's offered to you, and then
and there's no like return or refund on this. The earrings are just yours. So if you get a pair that you don't like, you can maybe re-gift them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You could definitely.
And just give it to somebody in a little baggie, and you don't have to have the EarFleek bag. Just give them to them in this. This would be really cute for like a gift for like a bridal shower.
Yeah, and the quality felt. I mean, obviously, it's not going to be the best, but
it felt good in your hand.
Yeah, it was like a heavy weight. It wasn't like.
But like we said,
super cheap feeling. But it doesn't matter. I mean, the 3. It's barely worth that to me.
Yeah, like I said, you can get a whole group of earrings at Charm and Charlie's,
the beauty supply
stores. Yeah, you can get earrings from the beauty supply store.
Yeah, I do
Forever 21. You can get a lot of earrings like this from other places for a lot cheaper price points.
Yeah.
So for me, EarFleek wasn't it.
No, ma'am. No, sirs.
No, sir. So, for in life, get black and white, but with us, it's always a shade of gray. Bye, guys.